Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Are your Outlook emails opening minimized, forcing you to click them open every single time? It's a common frustration, but the fix is usually straightforward and involves how Outlook remembers your window preferences. The core issue is that Outlook remembers the last state an email window was in when it was closed. If you close an email while it's minimized, Outlook thinks that's how you want future emails to appear. To prevent this, you need to teach Outlook your preferred window size and position. Here's the simple solution. First, open any email message in Outlook. Don't worry about its current size. Now, maximize that email window by clicking the square icon in the top right corner. Once maximized, click the Restore Down icon, which is the double square icon, to make it a normal, non-maximized window. Next, manually resize the email window to your desired size by dragging its edges. Also, move the window to your preferred position on the screen. This is crucial. With the window exactly how you want it, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While still holding Control, click the text button in the top right corner of the email window to close it. This action tells Outlook to save that specific window configuration as the default for all future email messages. Repeat this process for any new email windows that might still open minimized, as Outlook sometimes applies settings slightly differently to new message composers versus opened messages. After doing this once, your Outlook emails should consistently open at your preferred size and position, no longer minimized.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.